Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with another lovely prize. It's a Triumph T120C Bonneville. It's the desert sled, flat tracker, TT kind of bike. It's a 1964, so it's in this nice gold colour scheme. Got the nice swept TT pipes under there. So this one will be on the site now. It's October, I think the 15th today. It'll run to about mid-November. Tickets are $2.99. The website is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is do a little walk around, start her up and show you how she runs. It is quite loud, so hopefully we don't scare anything. So there's an ignition key behind the two carbs, which I'm going to turn on now. It's just tucked away behind here. You turn to the right for on. Got your two fuel taps which need to be on. There's two ticklers, one's on the inside here, it's a little bit awkward, and then one is on the right, the correct side, the left side of this left-hand carb. They're basically two left-hand carbs. Apparently that's what they were back then. Give it a good tickle. Okay, and then we'll see what happens. You see it's cold. Give it a go. There's no choke, so I like to give it an extra tickle when it started. It starts actually quite easily. I guess that's because of the electronic ignition setup. Sounds really nice, those TT pipes. I'll give it a little rev. And then to stop it, you just turn the ignition key off and then it will stop. Great, so that went well. If you fancy a ticket, go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99 and this one ends mid-November 2024. If it has ended, still check the website out because there's always lots of nice bikes on there like this. And if you do enter, thank you very much.